Hello, my name is Rajnish Kumar, your technical expert advisor. Today, I welcome you to the Eastman Techno Expert session. In today's technical session, I will share some important information with you about energy storage systems. In this video, we will talk about warranty and service-wide conditions. Whenever you purchase a product, the most important thing about it is its warranty. But do you know how long this warranty remains valid and when it becomes void? So let's find out about this. Today, we will tell you about the warranty policy of Eastman products so that you have no confusion. The main purpose of this warranty card is to provide you with all the information related to the warranty clearly and transparently. It tells you what is covered, what is not covered, and what the process is for claiming the warranty. Let's talk about the limitations of the warranty scope. Eastman's warranty is restricted to limited things such as repairing the product, replacing it, or providing a refund. If any product has been replaced or repaired, its warranty will remain valid only for the limited period. The warranty period does not reset again. Now let's find out when the warranty becomes void. If you have transported, stored, or installed the product incorrectly, or if there is any mistake in the wiring, then in this situation, the warranty will not be covered. There are some other situations as well in which the warranty becomes void. Getting the product repaired or disassembled by a non-certified engineer, ignoring Eastman's official installation manual. The warranty will be void in case of lightning, flood, or accidental damage or any act of God. Using it with the wrong inverter or an incompatible system will also void the warranty. How to claim the warranty? To claim the warranty, you will need to provide the product's serial number. And yes, make sure to keep your purchase invoice or installation documents safe. Without the documents, it can be difficult to claim the warranty. And most importantly, always contact the same supplier from whom you purchased the product. If the product is in sleep mode, it cannot protect itself from discharging. So, make sure to charge the battery up to 80% every 3 to 6 months. Out of warranty policy? If the product is damaged due to the customer's fault, there will be charges for repairing the product. For this, the customer will have to pay additional charges. Warranty guarantee. The documents are incomplete, the product is mismatched, or the product does not perform according to its specifications, then Eastman will replace your product without any questions asked. And if there is any issue with the product even after installation, please contact us immediately. Your problem will be resolved, and if the battery still does not work even after repair, we will replace it within 1 month. Claim payment policy. Make a warranty claim, contact the same supplier from whom you purchased the product so that the process is smooth and you receive fast service. Thank you very much for staying with us until the end of this video. I hope the information we provided will be very useful to you. To watch more such technical videos like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.
Eastman.